Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my office. My name is Marek. In this episode, I will make super tasty and super delicious pork tenderloin with tomatoes and avocado. But first, as usual, I would like to present all ingredients that we need to make this extremely delicious dish. Salt, freshly ground pepper, meat is ready, set aside. Mushroom goes on. Mushrooms are ready, meat is relaxed. Time to serve this dish. Amigos, extremely delicious pork tenderloin with tomatoes and avocado just landed on the table. Bon appetit!